So I will be demonstrating to you ARP poisoning. So now we will be looking to the ARP poisoning attack. So in this diagram, I will explain you the steps for ARP poisoning. The first step is planning and conducting an ARP poisoning attack in selecting a target. This can be a specific endpoint or network, a group of endpoints or network device like a router. Routers are attractive targets because a successful ARP poisoning attack against a router can disrupt traffic for an entire subnet. A wide variety of tools are easily available to anyone looking to carry out an ARP poisoning attack. After launching the tool of his or her choice and configuring applicable settings, the attacker will begin the attack. They may immediately begin broadcasting ARP messages or wait until a request is received. And once the ARP cache on victim machine or machine has been corrupted, the attacker will typically perform some type of action with the incorrectly steered traffic. They may inspect it, alter it, or cause it to black hole and never reach its intended destination. The exact action depends on attacker's motive. So now it's time for some demonstration. So here we will be using ARP as our tool for ARP poisoning, and the victim machine will be Windows 10. So here this is the attacking machine, and yeah. So here first of all I will open up terminal, and so here as you can see, the IP address of our Kali Linux machine, which is our attacking machine, is 10.211.55.10. So now I'll be opening PowerShell. Okay. So here we can see that the IP address of the victim machine, that is a Windows 10 machine, is 10.211.55.12, and the default gateway is 10.211.55.1. This is the IP address of the network. So now we will be checking the ARP table. So here we can see that the default gateway has the dynamic address, the physical address as this. This is the MAC address of the default gateway, which is the router. Now here we will be opening. Okay, so one more thing, just remember this IP address. Okay, so now we will be going to sniffing and spoofing, and here we will open ARP graphical. So this is the GUI of the ARP. GUI version of the ARP, and so here it is asking for the password. Okay, so this is the GUI of ARP. So here first we will select the primary interface, which is the H0, and after that we will here select the tick mark. So now as we can see here in the screen, it has started a unified sniffing. So now to identify different hosts in the network, we have to scan the whole network, and this feature is also available in ARP. Right now I will show you. For that we will first go to hosts, and then we will go for scan for hosts. This will scan the entire network, so 255 hosts. And so here as you can see, it is saying 3 hosts added to the host list. So now to open the host list, open here the host list. So here we can see 3 active devices, that is the 10.211.55.1, which is the default gateway, and this is the IP address of the victim machine, that is 10.211.55.12. As we can see here, this is the IP address. So now what we will do is, since here in ARP spoofing we are performing the man in the middle attack. So what man in the middle attack will do is, the attacker will come in between of the host and the server router. So here for attacking the host, we will first add this IP address to our target one. This has been added. Also we need to spoof the network, as we have to act as if this machine is the network and the host is asking services from me only. So we will be adding this default gateway's IP address to target 2. As both the targets have been added, now here in the MiTM menu, we will be going for ARP poisoning and we will select OK. So as you can see here, the ARP poisoning has started. So now we will go to Microsoft Edge. Okay, so before going to Microsoft Edge, I will again now show the ARP table. So now here the most interesting part is here that the default gateway which had the interface of 10.211.55.1, the IP address, the physical address of this default gateway is same as the attacker's machine, that is 10.211.55.10. as you can see here, yeah, so this is our IP address and this is the machine from which we are attacking. And so here this one's physical address is same as the default gateway address. So this means that our machine is successfully has successfully spoofed the default gateway. So now it's time for the attack. So for now we will go to any HTTP website. So here we'll go for HTTP login. So here in username we will add test and here also test and login. So as we can see here, nothing strange happened. But when we go to the attack app, so here we can see that the attack app has captured the username and the password. So this is how attack app is used for ARP poisoning. It is recommended that we should not use websites which HTTP protocol, FTP protocol, Telnet protocol, because those are not secured. And in today's date, HTTPS has come in play and it is way more secure than this HTTP website and provides a high level of security.